Hello everyone, here is a quick update. I just launched my niche site number 4, so I thought of sharing some of the details related to that particular site with all of you. So this video is all about sharing some details about my niche website launch that just happened. So if you have seen my video where I spoke about my plans in 2021 related to niche websites, you would have noticed that I mentioned that I'm going to launch 2 new sites in 2021, and more to be more specific, both sites in the month of February itself. So site number 4 and site number 5. I did mention that I have plans to launch both the sites in the month of February. Site number 4 in the first week of February and site number 5 in the last week of February most likely. So the update is about the site number 4. Here is, let me just highlight that part of the content here, so you can see it here. So this is the site that I am talking about. I did, as per my plan, I wanted to launch this site in this month, in the first week, with about 20 articles. So it's all going as per the plan, 100% as per the plan. So the site got launched yesterday. Let me share you more details. So if you have not watched this particular video where I spoke about my plans for the entire year 2021, please go and check it out. So let me get into the details about the new site that just got launched. So here are the details. So the site number 4, niche is beauty, and you also know that my primary blog that is earning money currently is also under beauty niche, but the only difference is both are built on different micro niches under beauty niche. So this particular site is related to another micro niche but under beauty segment, and my primary blog, the site number 1, is also under beauty segment but a different micro niche. There is absolutely no connectivity or no overlap or no relation, any kind of a connection between these two micro niches. These are both are exclusive and very much different micro niches under beauty segment. So that's the one. And then platform, as usual, I picked up WordPress. Theme for this particular site, I went with Astra Pro version. As I have been telling in my other videos, Kadence and Astra are my two favorite themes now. Most of my sites now I migrated to only these two themes. So if you have not checked my video where I spoke about 4 top WordPress themes that any of the blogger can leverage, you could go ahead and check it out. So top 2 for me now, what I am using at least for now, are Kadence and Astra. All my sites are on these 2 themes only. For this particular site, I wanted to go for with Astra because there are some features that will actually help me to move faster with content, with respect to the content publication and all that. Also, I wanted to have those premium features handy where and when if I want to make some kind of a changes, different design changes. So I actually purchased a premium version of Astra installed for this particular blog. So if you want to explore the features and all those things, there is a link in the description section for the Astra Pro version. Please go and check it out. If you are interested, you can go ahead and purchase. So that's the theme I picked up, Astra Pro, and launch date was just on 5th of February 2021. So that's the summary of the new site being launched. So let me actually give you the summary of the word count of the new niche site. Total number of articles are 20. And word count, you can see here, about 45,986, about 46k words are there now currently on the blog, on an average about 2,300 words for the 20 blogs. That's the overall average. And let me give further split of what kind of a content it is. So here it is, the summary. What I am now planning is, for most of my future sites also, I want to be consciously decide on informational versus buyer intent. I don't want to go too much onto the buyer intent or commercial content, because it seems there are some signals from Google updates that if it is sites are heavily on the buyer intent, some of the sites are getting hammered. So I don't want to take that risk. So because of that, I'm trying my best to balance, but sometimes it may possible, sometimes it may not. At least for this particular site, I see a very much possibility to balance between informational and buyer intent. So for now, if you see here, out of 20 articles, 11 are informational articles, 9 are buyer intent. And for informational articles, word count is about 19,000 and average word count is about 1731. Whereas for buyer intent, about 26,667 is the word count, and average word count is about 2963, about 3,000 words. And altogether, if you see, about 20 articles, 45k plus words, and average about 2285, about I think anywhere about 2280 to 2300. That's the average word count. So that's the summary of the content that's being pushed yesterday. That's the 5th of February. And the activities what I performed, as usual, I bought the domain a few weeks back. Then I created the basic WordPress site for this, published it, and then immediately I went ahead and created a Google Analytics code, as well as submitted in Google Search Console. That's all what I did. I think it will take some more time for even to appear in the Google in the search engines. So obviously, I think ranking and all is going to be a long-term process. I'm going to continue to add more content onto this as I planned earlier. So that's the update. Site number 4 is live now. Just thought of sharing this update with all of you. If you have any specific questions, please do ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer. Thank you for your time. Bye.